who got bottle one? Anybody bottle one?
I don't need ice too. Walao.
Wait, what are you eating?
Egg sandwich.
Tomato rice with it.
I eating onigiri.
Plain.
Yeah.
What are you eating?
I got no food.
You want food?
Wait, you did buy it? This guy never bathe, never bathe, never bathe.
Oh.
Never bathe for 2 days.
Keep going.
What I mean, that's the lie.
Oh, I could hear it from my room.
That's me snoring.
At first I thought it's gone. Then I realized it's gone breathing different. Like got different.
It's not too bad lah.
Hey Charlene, can you tell us where we are going? I can't hear shit. Can you tell us where we are going, Tom?
We're going to Tokyo Castle.
Wait. Osaka. Then I'll put an asterisk to Osaka. It's pretty sunny. Ah. What's this?
What's this?
Lawson chicken.
Oh, that's the sound. Osaka chicken sound.
Hot.
Okay. Not to me lah. Do the exchange.
I bet China will be very good.
What's that?
Maybe it is, I don't know.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Show me a tutorial. First, open the cup. Okay. Look. Oh, take the cap.
Pull the cap.
Take the cap.
The cap cut, steady.
Okay, we use the stick lah.
Oh. Okay lah. We doing the $1 for anything in the world. Okay, put it in. Turn the shit.
Okay.
Okay, open it.
Okay, we can't even open it.
Okay. What?
Oh, it's a dog thing.
Oh. I mean, I got another thing to hang on my back now.
I got this puzzle.
Oh.
It's squished. It's like
Oh.
the corner.
This one pretty good.
Okay, puzzle he can do. Wait.
Oh, it's also the same thing, the dog.
Eh?
Different series. It's cuter. Oh, Max Law.